Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if the Windows Store is not connecting to the internet properly. So this can be definitely an annoying occurrence, and I'm going to hope to address this in this tutorial. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. So we're going to begin by opening up the Start menu just by left clicking on the Start button one time, and you want to type in Windows PowerShell. Best match should come back a Windows PowerShell right above Desktop App. You want to right click on this and then left click on Run as Administrator. When you receive a user account control window, you want to left click on Yes. So in the description of the video, I'm going to have this command I want you guys to copy, and then once you've copied it, go up to this top bar of this Windows PowerShell window, right click on it, go down and left click on Edit, and then left click on Paste. Once you pasted that in, hit Enter. This will take a couple minutes to run. If you get any red text, don't be concerned, it's no big deal. So it might have been an active process or something. So it's not going to be detrimental to anything we're doing in this tutorial. So just please be patient, sit back, let it run, and once we get a little bit further along in the process, I will jump back in. Okay, so then once you have a blinking cursor here, you can safely close out of this Windows PowerShell window. Would recommend you guys restart your computer, see if it resolved the problem. If it didn't, I will have a Microsoft support link in the description of the video you guys are more than welcome to check out. But I do hope this tutorial was able to resolve your problem. And as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.